Hi team, welcome back to Smitty's Learning World. Today we're having a look at the body in motion and in particular the structure and function of the heart. So when we look at the heart, we need to understand that the heart is a muscular pump and it contracts rhythmically and it provides a force when it pumps so that blood can be circulated around the body. When we look at the size of a person's heart, it's usually about the size of a clenched fist. The heart lies in the chest cavity, between the lungs and above the diaphragm, and our rib cage protects the heart as well as the sternum. In one day, the heart pumps around 12,000 litres of blood, which is enough to fill a small road tanker. A muscle divides the heart down the centre, so that we have the left and right side. Each side consists of two chambers. The atria are the upper thin-walled chambers that receive blood coming back into the heart. So we have the right atrium and we have the left atrium. The ventricles are the lower thick-walled chambers that pump blood from the heart out to the body. Between the right atrium and the right ventricle, and the left atrium and the left ventricle, we have the right and left atrioventricular valve. Now these valves are one-way valves and they allow blood to flow in only one direction through the heart, that is, from the atria to the ventricles and from the ventricles into the main arteries, taking blood away from the heart. When we look at the main veins that operate in the heart, we look at the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. So just using our anatomical directions there. So the superior vena cava is blood from the upper body, head and arms, and the inferior vena cava brings blood from the lower body. The aorta is the main artery which pumps blood away from the heart. The carotid artery takes blood from the heart to the head. And then we have the pulmonary artery, which takes blood to the lungs, and the pulmonary vein, which brings blood to the heart from the lungs. The main thing to remember is that when blood's coming back to the heart from the body, it's coming via the veins, and when it's being pumped back out to the body, whether it's the head or the upper or lower body, it's back through the arteries.